Over the last few years, I've been rebuilding quite a few of the tools that I've built and used in my career, and more broadly, rethinking the way I approach subsurface workflows in general. So, I'm putting it all together in a masterclass I'm naming Subsurface Workflows Rebuilt Domain Expertise plus Toolkit 2.0. This masterclass comes from a simple realization. The workflows we use haven't really evolved, but the toolkit around them has. Indeed, I'm sure you recognize that these terms you see on the screen here have become pretty commonplace. Python, GitHub, Streamlit, AI, Claude, Codex. Yet a tiny fraction of professionals are tapping into these capabilities. So there is a clear opportunity. But I want to be clear, the opportunity is not about learning these tools in isolation. This is not a Python course or a coding bootcamp. This is not about becoming a software developer or an AI engineer, whatever that means. The opportunity here is to learn how modern workflow capability layers on top of domain expertise. So the general philosophy of the masterclass is to take a few actual subsurface workflows as examples and move from simple to complex, starting with the typical spreadsheet and progressing through automation, app development, all the way to deployment. Now, to that effect, I've broken down the masterclass into 4 parts. Part 1 is about fixing the broken spreadsheet thinking and reinforce Excel as a massively powerful tool when modernized properly. We're going to take a few of my Excel workbooks, DCA, PVT, real perms, economic modeling, etc. We're going to look at things like range naming, let and lambda functions, formula construction and auditing, ActiveX controls, macros and Visual Basic, Power Query data pipelines, pivot tables and charts, automated reporting, dashboarding, and many other tips and tricks. Again, not in isolation, but from the perspective of building smart, repeatable, and scalable workflows. In part 2, we're going to move to AI-assisted workflow capability, where we're going to use AI as copilot to restructure logic, automate tasks, QC and troubleshoot formulas, as well as using coding agents to generate, review, and troubleshoot code. We're going to bring in Claude and Codex, and we're going to use tools like VS Code, Excel Wings, and Python workflows, always through the lens of real subsurface applications, not as coding tutorials. The workflow always comes first. In parts 3 and 4, finally, we're going to see how workflows evolve from personal tools into browser-based applications using Streamlit and other web app frameworks. So this means that instead of spreadsheets, we end up with interactive dashboards, sliders, parameter controls, live sensitivity charts, automated outputs, visualization layers, and engineering workflows in general that others can use directly from a browser. So that's the broader idea behind this masterclass. The goal is for professionals to enhance their domain expertise with modern tooling. I'm opening an initial founding cohort while I continue to refine the workflow examples, the materials, and supporting content ahead of the broader public release. So if this resonates with you, feel free to check out the landing page below for details and enrollment. Thank you for watching and see you on the other side inside the cohort. Cheers.